Hello everyone, in this tutorial series we are going to learn all about JavaScript from basic to advanced. So if you don't know what JavaScript actually is, then for you, in short, JavaScript is one of the most popular programming language currently in the world, and it will help you to develop front-end and as well as back-end code. And it is easy to implement because it is integrated with HTML. Now the first question may come in your mind that why JavaScript? So there are few points we can look into it, that the JavaScript is the lightweight. The second one is JavaScript will help to build a beautiful website. There is a lot of inbuilt function are present in JavaScript. By using them you can easily build a beautiful website for client. The third one is JavaScript works very fast as it is a client-side programming language, so it's work very fast. The fourth one is JavaScript can directly interact with client. As I already told you, is it a client-side programming language, so it can directly interact with client. And the fifth one is JavaScript has a lot of library available which can directly use in development and save our time. Okay, though there are a lot of points are available, but these are the main 5 points why we should learn JavaScript. Okay, so now we'll see the usage of JavaScript. So the first usage is client-side verification. So whenever we going for any registration in any website, the website will provide us a form, right? So at that point, if you put any wrong input into that form, you will not proceed in the next step, and that form is validated in JavaScript side. That is called client-side verification. Okay, the second one is a user notification. You can easily notify your user based on any event the user will trigger. Okay, the third one is create a attractive website with animation. There is a lot of inbuilt animations are present in JavaScript. By using them you can easily create a attractive website. The fourth one is server application. There are a lot of framework are present in JavaScript like Node.js, AngularJS. By using them you can easily write your server application. And the fifth one is backend data loading. You can easily load data from your server to front end and can show them in HTML form. Okay, so these are all the usage of JavaScript. So we will see more of them in our upcoming videos. So to learn more about JavaScript, please stay tuned with us and let's start this tutorial series.